Okay guys, so welcome back to our beautiful studio here in California. Today we have on the lot again something special. It's the 2011 BMW 335 all-wheel drive and it's on bags, air suspension. You can definitely tell because it's like on the ground. We bought the car from Colorado and we overpaid a big time for this car. I wish we knew the details before we purchased the car, but the previous owner just replied us and he said he kept the air compressor, which is the main thing for the air suspension. Unfortunately, we ended up by having just bags and that's it, which is like worthless without the compressor. And then also he mentioned that the engine is seized. So probably what happened, maybe he ran over some kind of bump or something, hit the oil pan, the oil came out of the engine and it got seized. So we ended up by having E90 with N55 seized engine for $4,500. I hope we can at least get our money back. I'm not even planning to make any money on this car. We kind of fucked up and it's the fact. It is what it is. We have to keep going, keep moving, and let's go over the car. I will show you all the details and we'll see what we can make off of it and also what we can find on this car. Maybe there is something else. Let's go. So the front bumper is damaged and the front lip is damaged as well. The headlight got cracked over here. I don't think if we can swap the lens or not. Oh, I forgot to mention, the funny part is the car has black fender and the guy texted us like a month or 2 months ago. He was looking for the white fender and we told him yes, we have it in stock, but he never bought it. So now we have that car and we have a white fender. So the car is very low right now. As you can see, it's on the floor because it's not pumping. Then we have some kind of, just not even painted, yeah, it's actually painted carbon fiber imitation mirror caps. Then some kind of carbon, oh, it's actually real carbon fiber. That's good, but it's worthless. Same thing on the back in here. Unfortunately, not even black shutter line, it's just a chrome. The car is like the stock version and it's on 17 inches wheels. Maybe he drove like on a different wheels and then once he totaled the car, he swapped them back. It has some kind of side skirts, Ventus Auto Works. Useless as well for us. At least we have set of good tail lights, which is cool. He kept the spoiler from this car. I can definitely see it's been it was carbon fiber. Then rear bumper with the damage on it, but parking sensors, that's good. Same side skirt, not same, this one is damaged. Then carbon wrapped this thing, carbon thing in here, carbon thing in here. Comfort access door handle, which is at least something on this car. I think it's the LED side marker, which is cool. Blackout reflectors, yeah, it's just a black. That's gonna be it. Let's get actually inside. Oh, before we get inside, a lot of carbon stuff on the car. Dual spoke kidney grills. So we have brown interior. Yes, it's good and the condition of it is beautiful. I wish it can be sport, so we would sell it for a lot, but the car is completely like the base version of it. It even has the non-sport steering wheel. Look at this. It has hi-fi sound system, not the Harman Kardon. Okay, power folding mirrors, that's good. Let's see on the back. Oh wow, beautiful. We have sunshades on the back, on the door panels. We don't have speakers because it's the regular sound system. Let's jump on the back and see what else we can find. Oh, cool. Seated heats. Yes, that's right. Heated seats. Beautiful wood trim with the navigation, at least something in this car we can find. Let's jump on the passenger seat and we'll see what else we can find. Nothing. So that beautiful priceless red start stop button. Let's do the main test, cup holder test. Let's go. Wow, we should sell it for $1,000 just to pay off of the car. So I think that's gonna be it as far as what we can get from this car. Nothing else. The headliner is 10 and it's kind of dirty. That's ridiculous. Actually, there is something else that I need to show you. Let's go under the hood. Ta-da! So Precision Race Works ignition kit, that's good. Burger Motorsport intake, that's good. VRSF charge pipe, that's good. And also there is the down pipe, which is not good. The engine looks clean, but unfortunately it's seized. I didn't test it yet, and we'll test it once we get the car inside. Look at this black fender and made in Taiwan and white bolts. Everything else is good, looks clean in here. As I said, that's gonna be done. Alpine is 3, so Alpine white. I don't remember if I mentioned the car has 94,000 miles on it, which is kind of okay, good mileage, not super big. And I think that's gonna be it as far as the car, as far as the condition and everything. We will get the car inside and see what kind of suspension it has, what we can keep from this car. Overall looks good, looks clean, but no engine, no air suspension. That was like our 2 main chunks of money that we could like pay the car off of those parts. Unfortunately, we don't have them. Anyway, let's get inside. Okay guys, so we got the car inside, and actually we already did the interior. As you can see, the brown interior, non-sport for E19 here. Here is how it looks inside. Trash headliner, just a random trash in here. Everything already out. And so we put the car, like as far as the interior, there was nothing aftermarket, so we put the car on the lift, and now we will see what we have. I already showed you everything under the hood. Let's take a look from under the car. Oh, and also we got this, what's it called, air tank from the trunk from here. It was mounted right here, that's the one. And now we are ready to lift the car up and see what kind of bags on it. Let's do it. So the car is up in the air, and let's have a look what we have. That's what we have in the front. So basically the whole suspension, control arms, everything is stock, but just the bag. With that line going to where we don't see it. Once we take it out, we will see it. VRSF downpipe, looks like VRSF, and here is the reason why the engine got seized. So we have just small crack right here. That's where the oil came out from. And here is what we have on the back. This is our back, and here is the shock. You can actually adjust the shock. And also what I noticed, this is the custom one. It's not the original control arm. And this one as well. So we're gonna have to keep the whole set with the custom brackets, probably. I don't know, definitely. Oh, I see, because the stock one is flat and it was touching, and this one is like the curved, as you can see. Yeah, definitely. So we will keep all of that, and exhaust is stock, even stock mufflers, everything else is stock, like stock car on back. Weird car. So let's keep going. We'll take bags out and we will see, we'll clean them, put them right here, and I will show you them later on. Keep going. So guys, we almost get this car done. The only thing that's left to take the engine out. Everything clearing here, everything clearing here. Only steering column left. We're gonna take it out right now. No suspension from this side, just axle. Still have some stuff in here. Need to remove the rear bumper, and this car is gonna be done. By the way, we have the whole complete set of air suspension. We're gonna set it, we're gonna clean it, then we will set it up here nicely, and I will do the video of that thing as well. We have that air pump in here. All of those parts from this car in here. Headlights, front calipers, that's the all-wheel drive version, so we have steel control arms and everything. The radiator support was damaged, so we're not gonna keep it. We'll take only this air duct and that nose and hood latches, and basically that's it. Probably this fender is gonna be trash as well. We'll see what we can keep from this car. So we're ready to get the engine out. Let's do it. The engine is out, let's have a look. So I can definitely tell the water pump has been replaced because look at the different color of the water pump. Water pump is silver and the block is black in here. VRSF downpipe. The turbocharger looks like stock one. All-wheel drive transmission with a transfer case. This is the common issue. Front drive shaft sells super quick. High pressure fuel pump looks like it's been replaced as well. That's about it. Doesn't look as bad. Valve cover gasket a little bit leaking over here. Yep, as you can see, but it's not leaking on the downpipe. So we will take all of that trash out. We'll clean up the engine. We'll open the valve cover and see what's under it, how well it's been maintained. And this car is going to junkyard, scrapyard actually. Let's go and get this engine done. We got the customer who asked us to cut out the quarter panel, the rear one from E90, and we did it. It's almost out, we just need to remove it. So we also got the door out, the trunk lid is out already, and let's remove the quarter panel. So here is the quarter panel out, and the car is ready to go to the scrapyard. And this is how it looks like, exactly how he asked us to cut that thing out. Here, here, and all the way in here. He said he doesn't need that thing, so that's what we did. It is our quarter panel, immaculate condition, beautiful. So whoever asked us to cut that thing out, it's here for you, waiting. Okay guys, so we finally finished working on that all-wheel drive back 335, and here is what we have as far as suspension. So we have front one, rears in here, rear backs, lower control arms that needs to be replaced as well, air tank in here, some of these lines, sway bar links, and basically that's it. Also, to make it work, you will need to have air pump and the controller. Besides that, I don't know. Like I checked that actually, it looks like it will fit for a rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, but it's not 100% sure. It should fit. Yes, I will double check on that, and we will post it on Instagram. What cars is that for? Is it for all-wheel drive or for rear-wheel drive as well? So here is we have some other parts left in here, and the car is ready to go to the scrapyard without the quarter panel. Here is our quarter panel in here. Oh, but by the way, here is we have the engine. Oh, also we need to remove that ECU from here. Unfortunately, there is no way to remove the torque converter because the engine is seized. So we'll keep it on it for now, and we'll probably sell the engine for core. We'll have some guys who is buying core engine. If you need any parts, if you need that air suspension, DM us on Instagram. We don't sell parts on YouTube, but we do sell them on Instagram. So, and the next car in line is gonna be, yes, that's the 2013 M6 convertible F12, I believe, or F13, F12. Yes, that's the F12. Black on black with black wheels, black interior, everything black, completely black. The car has 41,000 miles, but for some reason the engine is seized. I don't know how it happened. Unfortunately, I have to say that it's seized. So, let's get that one to the scrapyard, get this one inside, and I will see you in the next video.